That's brilliant. It was really touching, very emotional, you know, and it touches on issues that it's things that are going to affect us all, I think, you know, because we're all somebody's children, you know.
But then it's learning to live with these things, and the humour value, unbelievable. I tell you what, I laughed, I cried, it had everything in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this song, Marjorie. Come on.
It was beautiful. It was really, really beautiful and really important and really stirring.
Well, it opens your eyes to what could happen to anyone, doesn't it?